Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Wilda Yulia Fatiatul Amna. I am a student at Muria Kudus University, majoring in management. Okay, I will retell the journal factor affecting economic performance through participation of zakat recipient in the developed business. Number 1, abstract. Community empowerment is a form of development which directly involves the community. In community empowerment program, the position of the community is as program consumer, but as program producer instead. Community empowerment aims to achieve community independence and welfare. Zakat is a subsystem which can support community empowerment program. It's consistent with the objective of zakat, which is material and spiritual well-being. To ensure the success of the program, the support from various parties include companion and social capital support. The purpose of the present study was determining the direct effect of companion and social capital on participants of zakat recipient and its impact of economic performance of zakat receiving micro businessmen. Number 2, introduction. Gunung Kidul Regency is one of the regencies in the special region of Yogyakarta, which has the biggest area. One of the issues in Gunung Kidul Regency is poverty. Poverty is a complex and multidimensional issue, so that it is a development priority. Current development programs also give a lot of attention to poverty alleviation effort. In reference to the statistical data of Gunung Kidul Regency in 2019, the Gini ratio of Gunung Kidul Regency is 0.337, lower than 2017, which was 0.340. The Gini ratio flu shows moderate inequality. In 2017 to 2018 period, the poverty line in Gunung Kidul Regency rose from 277.261 rupiah to 288.748 rupiah per kapita per month, or 4.14%. Zakat as an income distribution increment in Islam can support poverty alleviation program. Zakat is proven to be an effective means to help the poor, so that zakat collection and distribution should be improved. According to the law of the Republic of Indonesia number 23 of 2011 on zakat management. Zakat management aims to improve effectiveness and efficiency of service in zakat management. B. Increase the benefit of zakat to create public welfare and alleviate poverty. Zakat distribution for productive activities or venture can be done is community empowerment. This is performed by business in Mustahik. Business People Program. The program involves micro business people who receive zakat from business to develop their business. The participants of Mustahik Business People program are encouraged to be active. They are not only program consumers, but also involved in program preparation. In implementing the program, business also involves companion who serves as facilitator. Moreover, social capital support is also required to support the success of the program. Social capital as a set of norms or informal value which is owned together by the member of a group and enable cooperation among them. The issue faced by micro business people in Mustahik Business People program is limit access to capital, material, production, market, and information. The present study studied the utilization of zakat for business development by zakat recipient in Wonosari Subdistrict, Gunung Kidul Regency, in which the zakat is managed by business. The research question in whether the success of business development was affected by the role of companionship, social capital, and participant of zakat recipient in business development. Number 3, literature review. Mustahik empowerment is community empowerment through the utilization of zakat by providing funding and assistance as well as involving the active participation of empowered community. Zakat is not only distributed for consumptive purpose, but can be distributed for productive purpose aimed at the survival of mustahik. Systems and religions have a significant effect on the participant of zakat in the recipients in business development in a positive direction, and the participant will subsequently have a significant and positive effect on the performance of economy. The direct effect of religiosity and accompaniment on economic performance is lower than the indirect effect on economic performance of participants. That is, people are become more modern for complementary rocks are facilitator, educator, community representative, and technical role. In the role of companion is still weak. Social capital is needed in the development process. Social capital is an informal norm that is used to show cooperation between individuals. In other studies, the social empowerment program in the Harapan program in Messi Subdirects has success in young preparation pattern of interaction, level of participant on cooperation between group of recipient of the program. The success of social capital is measured by tools, norms, and networks. The economic impact on community environment can be seen in business performance, namely sales growth, increased business capital, increased revenue, and the ability to diversity as measured by a non-cost performance approach. Number 4, research method. The present study was performed in Buenos Aires Subdistrict Gunung Kidul Regency with 72 zakat receiving micro business people with final education of elementary school. Research hypothesis test use structural equation modeling analysis with two exogenous variables which were component and social capital on mediating variable. which was community participants mosaic in business development and economic performance and an endogenous variable. 5. Result and discussion. The result instrument had high reliability and validity as shown by Cronburn's alpha value above 0.75 and KMO value above 0.65. The complete result of the reliability and validity tests are present in table 2 below. Response profile and variable description. The respondents were owner of micro business who received zakat from business and had elementary school education. The number of respondents who completed the questionnaire was 72, who were 64% female, 36% male. The respondent business field were service, industry, trade, and agriculture. The description of research variable based on respondent profile are present in figure I below. Generally, male respondent had higher response to the role of companionship and had higher social capital, participation level, and economic performance. Respondents respond by showed that 51 to 60 years old age group had the highest economic performance. 20 to 30 years old age group had assessment of the role of companionship and lowest participants level, but they had the highest social capital. The service sector had the highest participation and high response for the role of companionship. The service sector also had the highest social capital, but the highest economic performance was reached by the industrial sector. Community participation is one of the best in community empowerment. The results of the community participation affect economic performance of the program participant. The result support the result. The company environment affect the independence of community. Furthermore, pilots in their studies show that community empowerment affect individual welfare and public welfare. Number 6, conclusion and suggestion. The community participation of zakat recipient for business development as basis in community empowerment is the main finding of the person study. Community participation will increase along with social capital and role of companionship which then impact the economic performance of the zakat recipient. The varying business on the zakat recipient become a talent for business as the manager in the companionship process. So that community participation could improve. The institution should also encourage the election to get special knowledge or business skill to improve the business sustainability and reduce their vulnerability. Inclusion tech is used to improve welfare and alleviate poverty through zakat distribution as one of the mechanic of income distribution from the rich to people with financial difficulty. Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.